Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility, your one-stop destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R, a car that has evolved dramatically from its humble beginnings into a true city driving icon. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Wagon R brings a bolder, sharper look while keeping the tall boy stance it's famous for. The front now features a redesigned grille with chrome accents, sleeker LED projector headlamps, and a more pronounced bumper with sculpted fog lamp housings. On the sides, you'll notice a new set of 15-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, giving the car a sportier edge. The character lines flow smoothly along the flanks, blending into the wraparound LED tail lamps at the rear. A floating roof design with a dual-tone paint option adds to its modern urban appeal. Despite its compact footprint, the 2025 Wagon R manages to look more premium and aggressive than ever before. Now let's step inside. The cabin is where Maruti has made some serious upgrades. You're greeted with a fresh dashboard layout featuring a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's a fully digital instrument cluster with a multi-information display that shows everything from fuel economy to real-time mileage stats. Dual-tone interiors with premium fabric upholstery elevate the feel inside. Rear passengers benefit from improved headroom and legroom, staying true to the Wagon R's spacious DNA. The boot space has also been increased slightly, making it more practical for weekend getaways or daily chores. Performance-wise, the 2025 Wagon R offers two engine options, a 1.0-liter K-Series engine and a more powerful 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol. Both come with idle start-stop tech and improved fuel efficiency. Transmission choices include a 5-speed manual and a smooth AMT, perfect for traffic-heavy cities. Handling has been tuned for better stability and ride comfort, with a stiffer chassis and recalibrated suspension. Looking back, the Wagon R made its debut in India in 1999. Since then, it's become one of the country's most trusted and beloved hatchbacks. With each generation, it has embraced change while staying true to its core values of practicality, space, and affordability. The 2025 version is no different. It's smarter, safer, and more connected than ever before, with features like rear parking sensors, dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and even ESP in the top variant. So, is the new Wagon R the perfect city hatchback for 2025? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Mobility for more detailed car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.